Watch complete my video and subscribe my channel.
You're looking at the same car, same VIN, same V8 engine, but on the left, that's what a $100,000 BMW looks like when nobody wants it anymore. Beat up, broken, sitting in an auction lot like it never mattered. And on the right, that's what happens when somebody actually cares. We didn't just fix this car, we brought it back to what it was always meant to be. In America, we throw away things that still have life in them. We buy the wrong house, trade the wrong stock, and walk away from cars that just need someone willing to put in the work. This M5 competition was written off before anyone gave it a real chance. Dealers passed on it, bidders skipped it, the system decided it wasn't worth the trouble. But here's the truth. This car never stopped being a $100,000 machine. The bones were perfect, the engine was strong. All it needed was the right hands and the right mindset. That's exactly what we brought to it. Every dent pulled, every panel replaced, every wire traced. Done right, done clean, done the way BMW intended from day one. What you see on the right isn't luck. It's what happens when you refuse to quit on something worth saving. Welcome to Elite Auto Reviews. This is what we do.
Every great city in America has a heartbeat, and if you listen closely, you'll hear it in the rumble of an engine on a rain-soaked street at midnight. This is Elite Auto Reviews. We're not here to show you perfect cars owned by perfect people. We're here for the real story, the grind, the garage, the moment a broken machine becomes something extraordinary again. That BMW you see gleaming under the city lights, it didn't start that way. It started as a problem nobody wanted to solve. But we live for those problems. We're built for them. From the auction floors of America to the body shops and backroad test drives, Elite Auto Reviews takes you inside every decision, every dollar, and every repair. We believe that the best cars aren't always the newest ones. They're the ones that someone fought for. Whether you're a gearhead who's been turning wrenches since high school or someone who just loves watching a comeback story unfold, this channel was made for you. America has always been about second chances, for people, for ideas, and yeah, for cars too. This M5 didn't get a second chance by accident. It got one because we showed up, did the math, and did the work. That's the Elite Auto Reviews promise. Every video, every build, every dollar on the line, fully transparent, fully real, fully American. Hit subscribe and ride with us.
There's a moment at every auction that most people never see coming. The tarp comes off and everything changes. 1 second, it's just another vehicle in a row of vehicles. The next second, you're looking at a BMW M5 competition that used to be worth $100,000, and your brain starts doing math faster than you can breathe. That's exactly where this story starts. We walked the lot, we ran the numbers, we checked the frame, checked the engine bay, checked what the damage was really telling us and what it wasn't. Because here's what most buyers don't understand about salvage auction cars in America. The price reflects fear, not reality. People see damage and they walk away. We see damage and we ask one question: is this fixable? And when the answer is yes, when the bones are solid and the engine breathes clean, and the structure is straight, you don't walk away, you raise your paddle. That moment right there, hand on the tarp, about to reveal what you just committed to. That's where Elite Auto Reviews lives. That's the rush, that's the bet. And on this particular day, in that particular warehouse, we pulled back that tarp and saw exactly what we hoped we'd see. A car that the system gave up on, waiting for someone who wouldn't. We didn't hesitate. Welcome to the build.
This is where the real work happens. Not in front of a camera, not in a showroom, not at a car show on a Sunday morning. Right here, in a garage, under a lift, with a mechanic who actually knows what they're doing. In America, we love the reveal. We love the before and after. But what we don't always show is the middle. The hours under the car, the skinned knuckles, the parts that don't fit right the first time, the diagnostic codes that send you down a 2-hour rabbit hole before you find a loose connector. That's the real story of every build. And at Elite Auto Reviews, we show all of it. This M5 went up on the lift and we went through it system by system. Front suspension, coolant lines, bumper mounts, headlight wiring, everything. Our mechanic didn't guess, didn't cut corners, didn't recommend parts that weren't needed just to run up a bill. That's not how we operate, and it's not how this channel works. Every repair you see documented, every part replaced, every labor hour logged, it's all real, it's all verified, and it's all on camera. Because the American car community deserves transparency. You deserve to know exactly what it actually costs to bring a $100,000 machine back from the dead. And by the time this car rolls off that lift, you're gonna know every single dollar.
$100,000. That's what this BMW M5 competition cost, brand new, fully loaded, M badge on the trunk, V8 under the hood, technology that most people will never experience in their lifetime. And then, one bad day, one incident, one insurance total loss decision later, it's sitting at a Copart auction in America with a salvage title and a price tag that made us stop scrolling and stare at our screen. We bought it. And no, we're not going to make you wait until the end of the video to find out what we paid, because at Elite Auto Reviews, transparency isn't a gimmick, it's the whole point. The number is in this video, the repair costs are in this video, the math, the margins, the real talk about whether this was a smart buy or a mistake, all of it, right here, no fluff. Here's what we know about the American car market right now. Clean title M5 competitions are selling in the mid to high 80s. Even after a full repair budget, the equity in this car is significant. But equity isn't the only reason we do this. We do this because a car this well engineered deserves better than a crusher. We do this because the build is the story. And we do this because every time we put a video like this out, someone out there realizes they can do the same thing. And that's the best result we could ask for.
There's a stretch of highway somewhere in the American West where the sky turns every shade of orange and gold right before the sun disappears. And if you happen to be in the right car at the right moment, it feels like the whole world was built just for that drive. This is that moment for this BMW M5 competition. After everything it went through, the damage, the auction, the teardown, the weeks of work, it earned this. Sitting on an open road, paint catching the last light of the day, every system running exactly the way BMW's engineers in Munich intended. No warning lights, no hesitation in the throttle, no pulling in the suspension. Just 501 horsepower doing exactly what 501 horsepower is supposed to do on an empty American highway. At Elite Auto Reviews, this is what we work toward. Not the paperwork, not the parts invoices, not the diagnostic headaches. This moment right here, the part where you close the door, hear the engine settle into idle, and know that every decision you made along the way was the right one. This car was written off. It was passed over, undervalued, and almost crushed. And now it's here, on the open road, better than it was the day it left the dealership. That's not just a rebuild, that's a statement. Most people look at damage like this and see a problem. We look at it and see a puzzle. And the first step to solving any puzzle is understanding exactly what you're dealing with. Right here, right in front of us, cracked front bumper fascia, broken headlight housing, stress fractures in the hood skin, and a coolant line that was one bad highway run away from a very expensive situation. This is the honest truth of what a salvage title BMW looks like up close. And at Elite Auto Reviews, we never skip past it. We zoom in, we document it. We want you to see every crack and every scratch, because that's the only way you understand what the repair actually means. In the American used car market, sellers hide damage, flippers hide damage, dealers hide damage. We put it on a 4K camera and show you every single millimeter. Because our audience, people who actually know cars, people who've done their own repairs, people who've walked auction lots and pulled Carfax reports at midnight, they can handle the truth. More than that, they respect it. What you're looking at here is not a car that's beyond saving. What you're looking at is a starting point. Every one of these damage points has a repair path, a parts number, a labor hour, and a cost. And we're going to walk through all of it. This is where the build begins, right here, in the ugly details.
This is the moment everything was working toward. Not the parts order, not the body shop drop-off, not the alignment rack or the paint booth or the interior reupholstery. This right here, an M5 competition at speed on an American freeway, doing exactly what it was designed to do. 3.1 seconds to 60 miles per hour, a twin turbocharged V8 that pulls like it's personally offended by the speed limit. Active exhaust cracking and popping through every lift of the throttle. This is not a car that was ever supposed to sit in an auction lot. This is a car that was engineered by people who take performance personally. And when it's sorted, when it's fixed right and aligned right and running clean, you feel that intention in every single input. At Elite Auto Reviews, the test drive isn't just a celebration, it's the final verification. Everything we repaired, everything we replaced, everything we dialed in, it all shows up here, at speed, under load, on real American roads. And we're happy to report, this M5 passed every single test. It drives straight, it pulls hard, it brakes clean, the steering is sharp, and the suspension is sorted. And the exhaust note is exactly what a $100,000 BMW should sound like when someone actually takes care of it. The comeback is complete.
Let's talk real numbers, because in the American car rebuilding world, vague budgets and hidden costs are everywhere, and we're not about that. Every dollar we spent on this BMW M5 competition is documented, categorized, and right here on screen, because the whole point of Elite Auto Reviews is that you walk away from every video knowing exactly what something actually costs. So here's the full breakdown. Front bumper assembly with all hardware, parts, and labor. Passenger headlight housing, OEM, not aftermarket, because on a car like this, you do it right or you don't do it at all. Hood replacement, sourced from a low-mileage donor car, color-matched and blended. Coolant line repair before it became a coolant line failure. Front suspension inspection and four-wheel alignment. Interior restoration, seat bolsters, dash trim, door panel hardware. And paint correction and detail on the full car. Total repair investment sits right where we projected in our initial assessment, and the market value of a clean-running, well-presented M5 competition in America right now makes this one of the smartest buys we've made on this channel. Numbers don't lie, math doesn't have an agenda, and at Elite Auto Reviews, we show you both. Every time, on every build, no exceptions.
After months in the shop, we finally fixed everything on this M5 competition.